The office is quiet, but it's a different kind of quiet than it was 3 years ago. In 2026, the sound of work has changed. It's no longer the frantic clicking of keys or the hum of a crowded boardroom. It's the sound of a single person sitting in a room, managing a dozen digital workers for the price of a lunch special. We were told AI would take the jobs. That hasn't exactly happened. What happened is quieter, more logical. The $15 you spend on a subscription today is no longer a tool. It is your new coworker. And if you don't know how to talk to it, you aren't just falling behind. You're becoming expensive to keep. Let's look at the math of 2026. It's not about how hard you work anymore. It's about your leverage. Imagine your job is to produce units of value. Maybe that's a report, a line of code, or a scheduled week of social media. The old math, one task equals 2 hours of your life. If you earned $30 an hour, that task cost your boss $60. Now, let's look at the $15 skill. That $15 is the monthly cost of your AI subscription. The new math, one task plus AI equals 15 minutes. The cost of your time is now $7.50, plus a tiny fraction of that $15 subscription. The math is brutal. If you use the tool, you are 8 times more efficient. If you don't, you are essentially asking your employer to pay an inefficiency tax of $52.50 per task just to keep you. In a logical world, how long does that last? Not long. But here is the opportunity. If you do the work in 15 minutes but still provide $60 of value, you just found 1 hour and 45 minutes of free time. That is where wealth is built in 2026, in the gap between how long it used to take and how fast you can do it now. The middle manager was once the human bridge. They gathered data from the bottom, summarized it, and passed it to the top. In 2026, that bridge is being demolished, not by a robot with arms, but by a simple summarize button. We are seeing the rise of the orchestrator. One person who doesn't just manage people, but manages systems. The story of the 2020s was about learning to code. The story of 2026 is about learning to judge. Because when the AI can generate 100 variations of a project in seconds, the value isn't in the doing. The value is in knowing which one of those 100 is the right one for the business. If you are the person who just moves information from point A to point B, the logic of the market is no longer on your side. But if you are the person who directs the tool, you aren't a manager anymore. You're a conductor. Let's talk about the compounding hour. In 2026, wealth isn't built by working more. It's built by reclaiming the smallest units of your day. Imagine you save just 1 hour every workday using a $15 a month AI tool. Just one. The daily unit. 1 hour saved equals $30, assuming a standard $60K per year rate. Cost of the tool per day? It's 50 cents, just the $15 monthly fee divided by 30 days. Your profit on that hour is $29.50 every single day. If you work 250 days a year, $29.50 times 250 equals $7,375. That is a 7% raise you gave yourself without asking a single person for permission. And that's just with 1 hour. If you use that reclaimed hour to learn a second orchestration skill, you aren't just saving money. You are widening the gap between your cost and your value. The $1 rule is simple. If a tool costs you $1 but saves you $2 of time, you buy it every time. In 2026, the $15 subscription is saving you $500 of time. The math is no longer, can I afford this tool? The math is, can I afford to keep working at 1x speed while the world moves at 10x? We used to value the grind, the person who stayed late to finish the spreadsheet or the design. In 2026, the grind is a commodity. AI can grind for 24 hours straight without a coffee break. The new high-value skill? Taste. Think of it like a master chef. The chef doesn't chop every onion or wash every pan. They stand at the pass, tasting the sauce and deciding if it's ready for the customer. You are moving from the kitchen to the pass. When you use an AI tool, you are generating raw material at scale. But the market doesn't pay for raw material, it pays for the finished product. Your income is now tied to your ability to edit, to look at 3 AI-generated options and say, this one is logical, this one is human, this one is the winner. If you can't tell the difference between good and mediocre, the AI can't help you. But if you develop your eye, you become the most valuable person in the room. You become the filter. And in a world of infinite content, the filter is the only thing that matters. In finance, we call this opportunity cost. But in 2026, it's more like obsolescence math. Let's look at 2 people. Person A, the manual worker, and Person B, the orchestrator. Both start at a $70,000 salary. Year 1. Person A works 40 hours a week. Total output, 40 units. Person B works 40 hours, but uses AI to do 80 units of work. Person B uses the extra time to take on a second contract or upskill. Year 3. Person A is struggling. Inflation has eaten 10% of their buying power. Their wages are stagnant because their output per hour hasn't changed since 2023. Person B has scaled. They now manage 3 AI-driven workflows. Their value output is effectively $150,000, even if they only work 30 hours. The cost of saving that $15 a month is actually a negative return. If you refuse to spend $15 to save 20 hours a month, you are effectively selling your time back to yourself for 75 cents an hour. Would you work for 75 cents an hour? Of course not. But by ignoring the $15 skill, that is exactly the financial decision you are making. The goal isn't just to work faster. The goal is to stop being a component in someone else's machine. In the old economy, you sold your hours for a steady paycheck. In 2026, you sell your results. When you master the $15 skill, something strange happens to your anxiety. It starts to disappear. You realize that your income is no longer tied to a specific desk or a specific boss. It's tied to your ability to orchestrate systems. You become a sovereign individual, a one-person empire that can produce the output of a 10-person team. This is the quiet authority of the new era. It's not loud. It's not hustle culture. It's just logical. By spending that $15 and learning the skill, you aren't just buying software. You are buying your freedom. Because in 2026, the most expensive thing you can own is your own time.